My report is DNA cloning. What is DNA cloning? DNA cloning is a molecular biology that makes many identical copies of piece of DNA such as gene. In a typical cloning experiment, a target gene is inserted into a circular piece of DNA called plasmid. DNA cloning is a technique for reproducing DNA fragment. It can be achieved by two different approaches. Ito yung cell-based at saka using polymerase chain reaction or the PCR. A vector is required to carry the DNA fragment of interest into host cell. Terms used in cloning. DNA recombination. The DNA fragments to be cloned is inserted into vector. Pangalawa is in transformation. The recombinant DNA enters into the host cell and proliferates. Selective amplification. And last yung isolation of desired DNA clone. Cloning vectors are DNA molecules that are used to transport clone sequence between biological host and test tube. Which is DNA fragment plus vector is equals to yung recombinant DNA. 4 common properties cloning vectors. Ability to promote autonomous replication. Pangalawa, contain a genetic marker which is usually dominant for selection. Unique restriction sites to facilitate cloning of insert DNA. This is minimum amount of non-essential DNA to optimize cloning. Ito yung cloning strategy. Strategy depends on starting information and desired endpoint. Starting information or resources is the protein sequence, positional cloning information, the mRNA species or sequence, the cDNA libraries, the DNA sequence known or unknown, and the genomic DNA libraries. Plasmid. Bacterial cell may contain extra chromosomal DNA called plasmid. Plasmid are usually represented by small circular DNA. Some plasmid are present in multiple copies in the cell. Three terms of gene cloned using plasmid. Number 1 is yung recombinant DNA, which is mixed DNA. Then the vector, it carries recombinant DNA into cell. Plasmid are the tiny circular piece of DNA that are commonly found in bacteria. Why plasmid are good cloning vectors? Kasi small size, easy to manipulate and isolate. Circular, which is more stable siya. Replication independent of host cell. Several copies may be present, facilitates replication. Frequently have antibody resistant or detection easy, madali siya ma-detect. My second report is gene coding. Genetic code is a dictionary that corresponds with sequence of nucleotides and sequence of amino acid. Genetic code is a set of rules by which information encoded in genetic material, the DNA or RNA sequence, is translated in proteins by living cells. Genetic code. The letter A, G, T, and C corresponds to the nucleotides found in DNA. They are organized into codon. The collection of codon is called genetic code. For 20 amino acids, there should be 20 codons. Each codon should have 3 nucleotides to impart specificity to each of the amino acid for specific codon. One nucleotide is equal to 4 combination. 2 nucleotides is equal to 16 combination. 3 nucleotides is equal to 64 combination. Most suited for 20 amino acid. Codon and its type. Genetic code is a dictionary consists of genetic word called codons. Each codon consists of 3 bases, which is the triplet. There are 64 codons. Sa 64 codons, may 61 codons code for amino acids found in protein. And natitirang 3 codons do not code for any amino acid. Types of codon. Sense codon. The codon code for amino acid are called sense codon. Signal codon. Those codon that code for signal during protein synthesis are called signal codons. For example, yung AUG, UAA, UAG, and UGA. Two types of signal codons: the terminating codons and the initiating codons. Anticodon, the base sequence to RNA which pairs with codon of mRNA during translation is called anticodon. And the characteristic of genetic code: triplet code, non-overlapping code, the coding dictionary, the generate code, universality of code, non-ambiguous code, chain initiation code, chain termination codons. That's all.